Hi, welcome to Shelley Studio, and I'm playing in my Dilutions journal today. I'd been watching a couple of people on YouTube, and they were doing these backgrounds, painting with their fingers, and so I thought I would give it a try in my journal and see what I could do. And, I'm just not very successful painting with my fingers. So I'm going to let you watch the process of me making a mess and play some music, and I'll be back. Okay, so that was fun to play with my fingers, but didn't like it, so I don't know why I decided to put some white ink on there and smush it around and maybe have it drip around. But I'm not liking it, and I don't like this part either. I think I was thinking, oh, drips will be nice. Get some drips going. What a mess. So I decide I'm going to wipe as much of this off as I can. So now I decide I'm going to give it a thin coat of gesso and maybe do something entirely different. a couple of my Dina Wakley stencils, and I'm gonna grab one of my stamps. This one's a fun one, though I probably should have, I don't know, fixed it so it wouldn't be so hard to stamp with that block, because it doesn't do very evenly. See what I mean? So then I just take it off, and then I press the areas that weren't working. And I'll just help it with a pen. So here I decide to take out my white pen, and sorry, didn't film most of it, but just putting a little bit of details, scribbly details to my page, and then I'm going to call it done. Well, I hope you like that. Try finger painting. It's fun, even if it doesn't turn out the way you want it. If you did like this, please hit like. Feel free to share the video with your friends if you think they would like it. Comment. I'd love to hear your comments. And if you'd like to see more from me, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.